Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Pad Air and let me share with you how to change date and time on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and then in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find not about device additional settings. Here let's tap on date and time, and as you can see we've got some options which we right now are not able to customize. It is because we are using the automatic time. And first of all we have to turn off this option, and as you can see the date will be active right now, so we can freely change it just by swiping. The same situation with the time. As you can see, it will also be immediately applied to the status bar. You can change also the time format. If you don't want to use 12-hour format, just tap on the 24-hour one, and the other way of course also. Here you've got the time zone. And that's the option you also can change. Just tap on it and you will be transferred to this list of available time zones from which you can choose. So basically just find one or type it at the top and pick it. So let me just tap on it. As you can see, it will be immediately applied. Of course, be aware that after changing the time zone, the time will also change according to it. Here you've got the dual clock, so you can decide basically if you want to use the dual clock or not. It simply means that you will have two different clocks displayed. The first one from the place in which you're currently in, and the second one from the place of your choice. So it's up to you. I don't want to turn it on. And basically this is the whole customization of the date and time, and of course you can go back to all previous settings. Just tap on this switcher right here to set the time automatically. Just change the time zone and change the time format. So basically that's all. This is how to customize the date and time in your OPPO Pad Air. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.